Hello student, here we discuss about tautomerism and enol content in for acetyl acetone, acetone, acetophenone and acetic acid. I am Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we discuss that the dicarbonyl compounds are having more stable enol content as enol form as compared to monocarbonyl compounds. Monocarbonyl compounds, acetone, acetophenone, acetic acid. Only one carbonyl group is present over here, and in this case there are two carbonyl groups are present. There is lot of factors, stabilizing factors are there. See, this is internal double bond. Internal double bond, it means it is having highly substituted enol form. So this is highly substituted enol form. Resonance is there, means extended conjugation will be there. Double bond, single bond, lone pair, double bond, single bond, double bond, like this. So this 6-membered ring, it making it more stable, as well as intramolecular hydrogen bonding is the deciding factor of the stability. So all these factors will govern enolic form more predominant. 76% of enolic form will be there as compared to keto form. Keto form is only 24%. Okay, so here enol content is much higher, but in case of acetone, see, only 10 to the power minus 7% enol form is there. What does it mean? It is enolic content is very less in case of acetone. Acetophenone, it is having a little higher enol content as compared to acetone. Acetic acid is not a true keto group. See here, this is acetone. Enolic form is CS2 double bond C OH CS3. There is only one CS substituent which is stabilized by hyperconjugation. In case of CS3 CO C6H5, there is benzene ring. So this enol form is extended. Conjugation of double bond single bond will be there. Aromaticity is also here. So that is why it is more stable enolic form as compared to enolic form of ketone. Okay, so enolic form of acetophenone is more stable as compared to enolic form of acetone, whereas in case of acetic acid, this is not a true keto group, first of all. Secondly, if we will from this enolic form, it is highly negligible, but here it will disrupt this highly stable resonance stabilized carboxyl group, so it will not prefer to go here. So we will say that it is negligible. Okay, so which is having highest acetyl acetone, followed by acetophenone, then third number acetone, fourth number acetic acid. First, who is the topper? Acetyl acetone. I am writing here acetyl acetone topper enol content. Okay, then phenyl acid, this acetophenone, then phenone, then acetone,